Hey mamas, welcome back to Black Mamas Do Science. Today we will be making magnetic slime. So we are so excited to show you this really cool experiment and we hope you enjoy it. Hey mamas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We really love doing these science experiments and we hope you love them too. Okay mamas, so these are the ingredients to make our magnetic slime. Obviously that first one is what? A magnet, yes, but not any kind of magnet. It's a special kind of magnet and I will make sure to link it down below for you. I bought it from Amazon, super easy. The next thing that you will need is liquid starch. I bought this liquid starch from our local grocery store. So if you just check in the cleaning supply aisles, like where you buy regular starch, look down at the bottom. I'm sure you'll find the liquid starch there too. Then you will also need Elmer's glue. We use white Elmer's glue. And then you will also need iron oxide powder. And I will make sure to link where I got that down below. There are different sizes. We got a pretty small size of this. And then finally, you will need, again, lots of spoons and bowls. Make sure though, this is my pro tip, do not use a metal spoon with this project because we're dealing with magnets. So make sure that you're using a plastic spoon to do your stirring, and also don't use a metal bowl. We're dealing with magnets again. And so make sure you have a plastic bowl and plastic spoons to do your stirring. So get those ingredients out. We are so excited to start. Okay, mamas, so these are the warnings that I have for our science experiment. The magnets for this experiment are really strong, so be careful with your little one's hands that they don't smash their little fingers in between the magnets. They will be kind of hard to pull apart, so keep them away from any magnets or away from each other. Then also make sure that you are not stirring up the iron oxide too much to where it creates the dust. That is not good to inhale. So we will, in this project, keep it down to minimal. You'll see why we stirred everything in a certain order, and that is to minimize the amount of iron oxide dust that gets kicked up. So those are my warnings. Make sure, again, parental supervision is definitely advised for this project. Okay, mamas, we are ready to get started. Now that we have all of our ingredients ready, go ahead, pull your bowls out, and what you will do is put 1/4 of a cup of glue into a bowl. And then you will also put in 2 tablespoons of your iron oxide. Then use your plastic spoon and stir that in really well. You'll notice your glue will start to turn black from the iron oxide. And then after that's mixed really well, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of your liquid starch. You'll notice when you add your liquid starch that the mixture will start to turn into slime. And if you've seen our previous videos of slime, we use a different activator than this liquid starch. We use eye contact solution. So in the same way, our liquid starch made our mixture more into a slimy, stretchy situation. Just stir all that in. Once your spoon is no longer working for you, you will see, just grab your hands and start like kneading it together and make sure everything is mixed in really well. So after that is done, this is the cool part, and I had to get Dax kind of excited about this, but pull your magnet, one of your magnets, you don't need both. And what you will do is put your magnet to your slime. And so when you put your magnet to your slime, you will notice it automatically attracts to it, and then it looks like the blob, kind of, is what it reminds me of. It will kind of like eat the magnet. But don't worry, if it swallows the magnet whole, you can always pull it apart. So go ahead and just rip off the slime and pull the magnet out, and you can keep doing it over and over and over again. Again, I will tell you from experience, do not let these magnets touch while you were playing with this slime, because I did, and man, was it hard trying to get it off, okay? So just be mindful where your magnets are. We made 2 different sets of slime so that we can have one magnet in one slime and the other magnet in the other slime, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. So I really hope your kids think that is super fun. I thought it was cool. My husband thought it was super cool. And so you have made your magnetic slime. So we will get into the science behind it after this. Hey mamas, don't forget to like and share our videos. We love doing science with everybody, and we want to make sure that everybody loves science too. So if you can, make sure you hit that share button so everybody can do a science experiment today. Okay mamas, this is the science behind our magnetic slime. And if you have not already seen this video, go back, go look at our slime video. We go in depth all about slime. We go behind the science behind it, all the above. So go back and look at it. The only difference between that slime we made before and this slime is our key ingredient, and that is the iron. Iron is one of those elements that at room temperature, it is magnetic. So you're thinking like, duh, it's magnetic, that's how it works. So one of the questions that I had when we did this experiment was, why is the iron not just getting pulled out of our slime? It's not the glue. I thought about that, but that's not it. While researching this, I found out that there are a couple of different forces that help the iron stay together with our slime, and also our magnet isn't that strong to pull the iron out of it. So the 2 forces that we are going to talk about that hold the iron inside of the slime is adhesion. And adhesion holds molecules of different substances together. So our iron fillings and then our polymers from our slime, 2 different molecules, and they are going to be held together from adhesion. The other force is cohesion, and that is force or molecules of the same substance that are held together. So in combination with the adhesion and cohesion, magnetism is pulling one away, and adhesion and cohesion is pulling the other, that it ends up resulting in this like weird stretchy situation that you see when you pull the magnet together. So you'll see like the slime will start to like have pointy parts sometimes, and then also why it looks like our slime turns into this like big blob eating our magnet. And so that's why our iron fillings don't end up coming out and just automatically connecting to our magnet. So I hope you learned something. I definitely learned something. I didn't even know you can make magnetic slime. And so I hope your kids had fun doing this. Dax, once he saw how it worked, and he was like, oh wait, I can use this, and he started slinging it around and throwing the magnet at the slime. You can just like throw it and catch it. So that was fun. Try that. He had a blast. So mamas, if you like this experiment, let us know down in the comments. If your kids liked it, let us know down in the comments. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Bye y'all.